Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2018 Mitsubishi Triton Extreme dual cab ute, stock reference number 5266. This shape runs from the 4th month 2015 and is the current shape. It has a 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by an automatic 4-wheel drive transmission. 4N15 2.4 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror in chrome, left front door has one tiny dent, left rear door appears to have no damage, left side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, an EGR canopy supplied with all bolts, brackets and fittings, does not have keys, left hand tail light, left tailgate has 3 small dents, bumper bar, slight scuff on the right hand side, factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom, right hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right hand side step sold as a pair with all bolts and brackets, right rear door appears to have no damage, right power door mirror in chrome, indicator type, and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch, this vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, touchscreen media player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 4-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.